All right, so today, y'all, we're not gonna need that gravy. We're not gonna need that rice. Okay, cause crazy ass Mr. Chime Time got me turned on to be trying some St. Louis sandwich, some St. Paul sandwich. I tell you, if it catch on to the East Coast, I'm surprised we slow over here. But we about to find a day. We gonna learn out today. DMV, I don't know if we ready for this. Oh, why didn't I ever think of this myself? Let's see. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. You like it? Mm-hmm. Get out of here. Wow. Shrimp, egg foo young patty, y'all. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. I ain't had no man in about 5, 6, 7, 8 years. And this make up for it, let me tell you. Mmm. This flavor's on a whole nother level. You feel like you're missing out? Yes. Wow. DMV. Baltimore. Maryland. DC, Virginia. Look. Stop playing. I ain't playing with y'all. We supposed to know about this. Mm-mm. Mm. Here's the one right here. Wow. Try it. Thank me later. Or thank crazy ass Mr. Chime Time. Because I would have never known. And neither would y'all. So thank him, thank me, and thank your stomach after this.